Emotions are like ocean waves. You can control the waves. When we are children, our emotions flow easily. But as adults, we face stress in our lives almost every day. Anger wells up in us for many reasons. We have differences of opinions and argue our point of view. To stop an argument, quit talking, listen to what is said, and become quiet. Ask yourself, what are you really arguing about? Is your anger based on feeling insulted, perhaps neglected, or treated badly? Maybe you are worried about a worst-case scenario. Try to see what is happening from another perspective. Look from a different point of view. Relax your shoulders, release your muscles. This will help quiet your emotions. Focus on an object in the room or outside, or imagine something beautiful. Take a deep breath. Go for a walk. Calm your emotions and clear your mind. Sit down and close your eyes. Visualize a beautiful natural setting. Know that you can change your life for the better and create a new way of being in the world. Drink some water, eat a snack, take care of your body, and relax. Open your mind to a dreamscape where all is well, and heal your heart. I am sending love and peaceful thoughts to you. May your life be all that you would love it to be. Thank you for watching.